What is a super tank printer? There are 3 things you need to know about a super tank printer. 1. A super tank printer is a single or multifunction printer that features high-capacity inks, so much that it comes with a ridiculous amount of ink. Designed for productivity and convenience, they include enough ink to print thousands of pages. Plus, super tank printers come with 2 years of ink guaranteed. 2. Our super tank's revolutionary, easy-to-fill, super-sized ink tanks and replaceable ink packs offer a low total cost of ownership for your business, with 2 years of ink guaranteed plus a 2-year limited warranty. One set of replacement ink bottles are equivalent to about 90 individual ink cartridges, saving your business up to 90% on replacement ink. Now that's affordable color printing. 3. Super tank printers are powered by precision core heat-free technology, available in a wide variety of printers, from single function to multifunction, from letter up to 13 inches by 19 inches. Even color and monochromatic printers with IT tools for all your business needs. Engineered for productivity, affordability, and reliability. Upgrade your business printing with Epson's diverse super tank printer portfolio. Epson, exceed your vision.
Good Guys Business Systems. Call us today or visit our website at goodguys.us.